dangerous woman. Oh yes, she is a dangerous woman. Her love's a gift. She's a dangerous woman. Feel her shift. Dangerous woman. She's the truest. Her whispers echo through the air. soil is dry like this barren land. We can't rewrite what the storm has planned. A wave will crash where it began. Kiss my oh with a knowing smile. Oh, oh, mountains move, but the rivers stay. Night turns dark, then it breaks today. Got no map, but I'll find my way. Kiss my, echoes in the valley. Whisper to the skies, feel it in the rhythm. The truth never lies. Kiss my oh when the world gets wild. Kiss my oh like a freeborn child. Kiss my oh with a knowing smile. Oh. Kiss my, oh, oh. still. I dream, I set fire to the rain. Set fire, set fire to the rain. Let it burn, let it cleanse every chain. Set fire to the rain. Through the ashes, I'll rise again. Drops falling heavy like tears from the sky. Each one a memory, I'm letting them fly. The wind, it whispers, it knows my name, and I answer back. I set fire to the rain. Flames dance higher, they sing my song. Through the smoke, I find where I belong. Set fire to the rain. Let it burn, let it cleanse every chain. Set fire to the rain. Through the ashes, I'll rise again. The rain and fire, they're one and the same. A sacred union, a powerful flame. Let it purify, let it remain. I am reborn. I set fire to the rain. I gave you the sun, you gave me the shade. I built you a house, you watched it decay. Every seed I planted, you let it fade away. I'll break your heart right back. Turn the wheel and don't look back. What you give is what you lack. trust like a thief in the night. Drank all my love, left me dry in the fight. But I'm a lion, I rise in the light. Karma's calling, it never stalls. The higher you climb, the harder the fall. I'll break your heart right back. Turn the wheel and don't look back. What you get is what you lack. Break your heart right back. The echo of your lies, it bounces in my chest. Your games were played, but I'm not impressed. The roots grow deep, they'll always attest. rivers sing, every drop of rain, a sacred thing. I close my eyes, I feel the sound. This is my home, my sacred ground.
I will climb
stretch ahead where dreams go to die. Dust in my shoes, whisper stories untold. Chasing pavements where the spirit unfolds. Chasing pavements, chasing time. One step forward through the grind. Chasing pavements where I find peace of heaven in my mind. Shadows dance long where the lampposts hum. Night sings its song and my heart beats drum. Each crack in the street holds a secret to share. Chasing pavements, I find myself there. Chasing pavements, chasing time. One step forward through the grind. Chasing pavements where I find peace of heaven in my mind. Every stone I step on sings a hymn of life and broken things. Echoes bounce through alleyways, guiding me through love's maze. Chasing pavements, chasing time. One step forward through the grind. Chasing pavements where I find a piece of heaven in my mind. My heavy heart, it sinks like stone through valleys deep where I walk alone. The shadows stretch, but they can't hold me. The sun will rise over every sea. Heavy, heavy heart, don't weigh me down. I'll find my way to higher ground. Heavy, heavy heart, you won't defeat. Love is the drum and it moves my feet. The wind, it whispers through the pines. 1,000 voices in ancient lines. They call me back to where I belong. To roots so deep and a soul so strong. lesson learned, every fire a light that burned. Ashes rise on the wings of time. I'll carry on, this path is mine. heart so heavy it could scream and shout. But then you came like a light through the haze. You turned my wrongs into brighter days. Was it fate or just a twist in time? You made my world feel so divine. You're my best mistake, my sweetest ache. In every stumble, but still there's love in the dark. Oh, love in the dark, love in the dark, where the stars ignite the spark. No need for the sun to shine. This love is yours, this love is mine.